Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Sienna back window. First, find the release button. It's usually on your key fob or located near the liftgate handle. Press and hold this button for approximately 2 seconds. You'll hear a click, and the glass will unlatch, popping open slightly. This allows you to easily lift it up for quick access to the cargo area without opening the entire liftgate. Sometimes, the simplest things are overlooked. Always make sure your Sienna is unlocked before trying to open the back window. If it doesn't open, quickly check for any items or debris that might be blocking its path. If your key fob isn't responding, look for an interior release button, often found on the dashboard or near the driver's seat controls, which offers another way to open it. If your back window still isn't opening, let's troubleshoot a bit. First, confirm your vehicle's battery has enough charge. A low battery can affect electronic functions. Next, visually inspect the latch mechanism for any dirt, debris, or physical damage that might be preventing it from engaging or disengaging properly. For detailed, model-specific guidance, always refer to your Toyota Sienna owner's manual. To keep your Sienna's back window operating smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Make sure to keep the window seals clean to prevent them from sticking or deteriorating over time. Also, consider lubricating the moving parts of the latch mechanism annually. This helps ensure a smooth and effortless opening every time. And hey, speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's perfect for keeping your car's interior spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.